Hello Virtuous family, welcome to VirtuousSkills. My name is Nancy. In today's video, what I have for you is kidney sauce, and this recipe is so healthy and delicious as well. I'm sure you would like to know how I came up with this beautiful result. Yeah, let's dive right into the video. Ingredients I have to prepare this kidney sauce or pepper kidney are kidney, pepper mix, mixed seasoning, dry thyme, curry powder, seasoning cube, salt to taste, vegetable oil, bell peppers, onion, ginger and garlic powder, beef seasoning, and lastly parsley. Let's prep the kidney. Just cut it any size you like, but make sure you get rid of the fat in the middle, though that is my own opinion. But if you like the fat, there is no problem about that. Just forget about cutting it off. Alright, once I'm done cutting the kidney, do bear in mind that I will rewash it again off the camera with salt and lemon juice. You can as well wash with vinegar. There is no problem about that. All this is just to get rid of all the mess or smell of the kidney. Alright, have you subscribed to this channel? If no, do subscribe to this channel for other amazing videos, and do give this video a huge thumbs up. We really appreciate that. Share this video to families and friends and drop your beautiful comment as you keep watching. God bless you. Yeah, I got the kidney right here in the pot after washing. Now I'll be seasoning with onion, beef seasoning, ginger and garlic powder, seasoning cube, dry thyme, curry powder, salt to taste, and I will stir very well to combine. Afterward, I will cover to steam on a low heat for at least 5 minutes. This is 5 minutes later, Virtuous family. This is a lot of stock from the kidney. I will now add a little water and stir very well to combine. Afterwards, I will cover and allow to cook until soft, and that will take about 20 to 25 minutes. Now the kidney is soft enough to go. I will remove it from the heat and set aside. But for the stock, I will not be using it for this recipe. I normally use it for jollof rice. It is usually very good for jollof rice. Next is to preheat a little vegetable oil and then add the cooked kidney and fry until the both sides are slightly brown. Please make sure you don't fry it so dry, if not you won't enjoy it. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you have not done so already. Subscribe to our channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload amazing videos like this. Share this video to families and friends and drop your beautiful comment as you keep watching. God bless you. It is good to go now. As you can see, I fry it slightly brown. Don't fry it to be so dry so that you will enjoy it. After that, I will set it aside. If you try making this kidney like this, you will never think of making your kidney any other way, because one, it is very healthy, and two, it is so delicious. Next is to make the pepper sauce, of which I'll be using the same vegetable oil used to fry the kidney. But as you can see, I reduced the vegetable oil. To the oil, I'll be adding the diced onion and stir until the onion is translucent. After which, I will add the pepper mix and also stir very well to combine. Five minutes later, the pepper mix is well dried to my taste. To it, I will add mixed seasoning, curry powder, salt to taste, and then stir very well to combine. Once that is done, I will allow the sauce to cook up a bit for more 3 minutes. This is 3 minutes later. From my calculation, the sauce is very big for the kidney. What I will do is to reduce the sauce, okay? But while you like it juicy or moist, you can skip this part. There's no problem about that. Now I will add the kidney and then stir very well to combine. Once the stirring is done, I will now add the bell peppers alongside with the parsley. Then I will stir to combine very well. Once that is done, I will cover and allow to simmer on a low heat for at least 3 more minutes. Please be mindful of the veggies so that it won't overcook. So 3 minutes later, this is what we got. Beautiful, right? Yeah. Now I will stir one more time and then check and balance the taste, and I found out that the taste was so delicious, just as usual. On this junction, Virtuous family, our kidney sauce, the only easy way to prepare kidney sauce, is ready. Let's go to the table and do it some good. You enjoy every clip of today's video just as we enjoy and like bringing them at your doorstep. If you enjoyed the video, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Share this video to families and friends and drop your comment. You can enjoy this pepper kidney with fried potato just like us. You can as well decide to enjoy it with fried yam or even white rice. This is all we have for you from today's video. From me and all my crew, thanks for watching. Always remain blessed and we will see you in our next one. Bye bye.